Hey BuildForce, it's Paul here from Gunpla SA, and we are at another one of our BuildMeets. And yes, it's me, and you're going to see over my shoulder in a second. We got kind of a big crowd today, which is pretty awesome. Yeah, so really great if you guys want to come and build with us and enjoy some kits, learn some tricks, make some friends. Come check out a BuildMeet at the Nexus, and they happen every 2 weeks, every second weekend. Keep your eye on our socials because we'll post when they happen and all that good stuff. Otherwise, thank you for checking this out. Check you out soon. Keep building joy.